Hello students, today we will read page 99, chapter 8, Confronting Marginalization, class 8, Social Science, Social and Political Life. The powerful caste decided to teach Ratnam a lesson. His community was ordered to ostracize him and his family, and everyone was told that no one should speak or do any work for them or with them. One night, some men entered their part of the village and set his hut on fire. He managed to escape with his mother, Rathnam, then went to file a case in the local police station under the Scheduled Caste and Scheduled Tribe Prevention of Atrocities Act 1989. Other Dalit families still did not come out in his support as they were scared that a similar fate might await them if they spoke out. The case was picked up by the local media that led to many journalists visiting the village. Ratnam was written about a symbol of Dalit action. The ritual was called off, but his family was forced to move out as they continued to be ostracized by the powerful caste in the village. The Scheduled Caste and the Scheduled Tribes Prevention of Atrocities Act 1989. Ratnam sought the support of law, filing his complaint under the above act to promote against the domination and violence of the powerful caste in his village. The act was framed in 1989 in response to demands made by Dalits and others that the government must take seriously the ill treatment and humanization Dalits and tribal groups face in everyday sense. While such treatment had persisted for a long time, it has acquired a violent character in the late 1970s and 1980s. During this period, in part of southern India, a number of assertive Dalit groups came into being and asserted their rights. They refused to perform their so-called caste duties and insisted on being treated equally like Ratnam, and they refused to follow practices located in the humiliation and exploitation of Dalits. This resulted in the more powerful caste unleashing violence against them in order to indicate to the government that untouchability was still being practiced, and in the most hideous manner, Dalit groups demanded new laws that would list the various sorts of violence against Dalits and prescribe stringent punishment for those who indulge in them.